Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 3 GT, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the Google Play Store, and be aware, because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can do it right after entering the Play Store or using the settings. You can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. Now let me quickly pause the video and I will come back in the Google Play Store. Alright, so here we are, and all we have to do here is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's go to Manage Apps and Device, and as you can see here, we've got this whole Updates Available section, so let's tap on it. And right here we've got the list of all apps that we can update, and basically it depends what you prefer to do. So you can either tap on Update All, and your device will simply download all of the updates, and then the newest versions will be not updated, but installed. Or you can simply go through the list, find the apps that you'd like to update, and simply tap on Update next to it. So for example, this one. That was probably too fast for this device for some reason. Or maybe it just waits. Let me I'm not really sure what happened. It should normally... Oh, okay. So it was just too fast for him or for it. So as you can see, all of the apps will appear at the top. Your device will download them, and after that they will be successfully installed. So basically this is how it works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.